Here's a grain salad that I especially love during those chilly months, with its mix-up of apples, cranberries, and nuts, all brought together with a savory dressing. Let's show you how to do it. I have a cup and a half of uncooked farro, a tart and a sweet apple. I also have pecans, walnuts, and sweetened dried cranberries. And then our dressing will include some apple cider vinegar and Dijon mustard. All right, let's put it all together. Okay, we have a couple things going on. I dropped our farro into salted boiling water. It'll take a few minutes to cook. I also put about half a cup of our pecans and our walnuts in a dry saute pan to allow them to toast. And I also got on to chopping up my apples. I'm just coring them and chopping them into about a half to quarter-inch dice. And I'm going to toss them in a bowl that I already have a little bit of lemon juice in so that they don't brown along the way. Okay, our farro is out, so while it's still warm, let's make our dressing. I'm going to use about a quarter cup of olive oil, 3 tablespoons of an unfiltered apple cider vinegar, 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard. For a little bit of golden color, a quarter teaspoon of turmeric. Really keeps the apples looking nice, even for a couple days in the salad. And then salt and pepper, about a teaspoon of salt. So there's a half, 1 teaspoon, and some cracks of pepper. Get that onto the warm farro to help absorb some of those flavors. Right in. Also take our apples and we'll toss those in there. Also with that lemon juice, it'll add a little bit more brightness to the dish. We'll give that a toss right now, and then we'll add our final few accompaniments. We'll give our toasted pecans and walnuts just a rough chop. Oh, that looks so good. Right in. Oh, they're still warm as well. And a cup of cranberries, which I've already measured out here. Adds a nice sweetness, and I just love that darker color as it sits. The cranberries will plump up. Oh, just love the chunkiness of this salad. I hope you make this recipe at home, this medley of grains, apples, nuts, and cranberries, and I hope you enjoy.